What's up, Mopar fam? It's your boy at Fred Easy. What's going on? Today on this quick episode, we'll be installing a DiabloSport tune using the Intune i3 on a 2011 Chrysler 300C Hemi. Now, this is the same tuner we use to tune the Jeep. Now with the i3, you could add licenses to it, and we could add vehicles, multiple vehicles on one tuner. All we have to do is load it up onto the computer, update it, buy the license, load it up, come back, install it, and then play around with it, and then Bob's your uncle. First thing to do is to hop onto your computer and head over to diablosport.com/downloads to download and install Update Agent 1.0. After that, plug in the DiabloSport tuner via a USB cable and open the Update Agent program in your computer. The Update Agent will recognize the tuner and start updating the tuner if there is one available for it. We already did the computer stuff. Beep boop beep boop, bought the license, loaded it into here, and now we're gonna go install it. Let's have at it. So open up the windows. That's the first thing we're gonna do because we're gonna take our time with it, and then we're gonna plug this into the OBD2 port. So first off, let's do this. Well, we gotta get some venting going on, bro. There you go. So plug that in. That's plugged in. Now the purpose of this episode is to try out this licensing thing. See what works. Because tuning multiple vehicles with one tuner is pretty exciting. Cost is way off. Alright, so we click yes. Okay. Alright, let's tune vehicle. Alright, ensure keys in the run position. Continue. Now what I like about the i3 is that it's a lot faster than the i2. And that connection at the bottom is one piece. Now we're just gonna do easy tune. 91 please. 91 octane tune please. Yes. Change tire size. Yes. Alright. Look at that thing blazing. Alright, writing tune. Alright, now let's unplug this. Alright, unplug. Alright. We're rolling. And so far so good. We're only like 50. We're rolling. Alright guys, that's how you install a DiabloSport tune using an Intune i3. Now this is with multiple vehicles. Anyways, hope this helps, Mopar fam. Peace.